you've been waiting for, and it's finally here. The Samsung Galaxy Note 8 update has rolled out in North America. It finally hit this region. T-Mobile released it a couple days ago. I have it, and the link for this video is in the description. Also, AT&T and Sprint have it. So if you are on one of those carriers and you own a Galaxy Note 8, please pay attention to this video, because I will be giving you guys steps and instructions on how to retrieve it. Okay, there's a picture of the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. For all the Note 8 owners, a new software update has came out. T-Mobile has released an update. So the update actually comes in at a size of 445 megabytes. So make sure you have that clear. As of what is included, you get security patches to the Galaxy Note 8. New security patches included are the AR emojis and super slow-mo video capture. So basically, this is what everyone wanted on the Note 8. One of the biggest features that the Note 9 had in the Samsung Galaxy 9 Plus had over the Note 8 was a super slow-mo. Of course, you could record at 720p. But with the update, you have super slow-mo, which you could use on the Note 8, and you could record in super slow motion, which gives you 720p frames per second compared to the 420 that's on the original Note. So what you want to do basically is go up to your settings, like right here. In that little bar, you press on it. You want to go to software update. If you already have it downloaded like me, you will see it. But if not, it will say download updates manually. You could press that, or you can schedule it, whatever way you want to get it. But make sure you go here to retrieve it. I already have mine, so I'll read it out to you. Here's what it will look like. The software update information, version number, the size, the security patch level, what's new, the device stability improvements, bug fixes, new and or enhanced features. So the temperature of the device may temporarily increase. You read all this stuff, and also gives you more information at samsungmobile.com. You can click on that if you really want to get technical. So let me show you guys what's updated once you install this. I'm going to go to the camera right here. As you can see, you stroll up like you normally would do on your camera. And now, as you can see, you see super slow-mo. And that wasn't in the previous or the original Note camera settings. Super slow-mo. And if you go out of this, you would see AR emojis right to the very, I'll say right at the top right. So those are the two improvements. So the AR emojis gives you an opportunity to create your own emoji, and by taking a picture, it looks like you, and video emojis. But I'll make a separate video on that. But for now, the update is here, and all you have to do is go to the settings in your phone and go to the software update. Like this video, leave your comments, and subscribe. Later.